Hi, and welcome back to another amazing season of the fresh produce industry wants a sanitizer. Let's go meet the fresh produce industry.
Hi, I'm the fresh produce industry, and I'm looking for a post-harvest sanitizer that's effective and reliable. I don't want it to use too much water, and I don't want it to have a huge environmental impact.
Look, I've been with chlorine for a long time, but I just want to see what's out there and do the best for me and my produce.
Hey, I'm Chlorine. I'm Australia's hottest sanitizer. In Australia, the most commonly used sanitizers in wash water are chlorine-based. I'm used primarily because of my low cost, effectiveness, and limited impact on the dietary and aesthetic characteristics of the food. I work really well under optimal conditions, but pH changes and high organic load can make me less effective. And I've let the industry down before. But hey, I've always been there for the fresh produce industry, and we've had a long history together and some pretty amazing times.
Hey, I'm peroxyacetic acid. Unlike chlorine, I'm able to handle organic load. I'm also less pH sensitive. Also, I decompose only into non-toxic products. I'm approved for use in organic industries. Look, I am more expensive, but I do think I have a lot of things to offer the fresh produce industry.
Okay, peroxyacetic acid. So I guess we're just ignoring if your concentration's too high, you damage the produce. Also, you can be pretty explosive when stored in high concentrations. Anyway, this is about me in the fresh produce industry. Hey, I'm electrolyzed water, and all I need is salt and electricity to make sanitizer solution on site.
Sodium hypochlorite is a great option, but its inability to handle organic load is a problem for me. I'm not too sure about that one. Peroxyacetic acid is another great option, but it is pretty expensive. E-water seems like a convenient option, but isn't it just another chlorine-based sanitizer? Won't it run into the same problems with organic load? There are a lot of advantages and disadvantages to each of these sanitizers.
That's right, fresh produce industry. The fact that none of these established sanitizer systems are completely without fault highlights the need for further research.
Are there any mysterious novel sanitizers out there for me?
Well, there is the final contender. It's not an established sanitizer method yet, but I think you'll find it very interesting. I want you to meet plasma activated water.
Hi, I'm plasma activated water. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, an energy level one step higher than the gas state of any given material. Cold plasma can also be discharged into water directly or via plasma gas bubbles, creating plasma activated water, or PAW. PAW is antimicrobial due to the individual and synergistic effects of the reactive species in this dynamic mixture.
So, what did you think of plasma activated water?
Plasma activated water sounds pretty amazing. Can you tell me more about the science?
I sure can. As background to this show, I've been researching plasma-activated water technologies for the past 6 months, and I'm happy to tell you what I found so far. There are many different types of plasma-activated water generators. I've been testing 2 generators that have been designed by PJ Cullen's group at the University of Sydney in the engineering department. I've been testing plasma-activated water in both tap water so that we can use our results in industry settings, as well as molecule water so that we can compare our results to existing research. I've been testing plasma-activated water against both Listeria and E. coli, which are both important foodborne illness pathogens. Both of these reactors resulted in different reactive species profiles and had different antimicrobial capabilities. This is a spark discharge reactor that directly plasmas the water via 4 holes. This reactor generates a lot of reactive nitrogen species as well as hydrogen peroxide and ozone. In molecule water, it took 2.5 minutes to kill 5 log of E. coli, and it took 5 minutes to kill this many Listeria. It didn't really work that well in tap water. I've also been testing a double dielectric barrier discharge plasma generator, where plasma air is created and then it's bubbled through the water and the reactive species pass into the water in this way. The diffuser reactor generated less reactive nitrogen species, but a lot more reactive oxygen species such as ozone. Using molecule water, a 5 log reduction of bacteria happened in less than 30 seconds, and it took 1 minute to completely kill all of the bacteria using tap water. So, you've met all the sanitizers and learnt a lot about them. Who, fresh produce industry, do you want to pick?
Well, I know you want me to pick plasma activated water, but I'm still in love with chlorine.
What?